Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'll be showing you how to replace an Epson 822 cyan cartridge in your Epson Workforce Pro WF-3820 printer. A brand new Epson Workforce Pro WF-3820 includes the Epson 822 black, cyan, magenta, and yellow setup cartridges. Cartridges are sold in a standard yield size and a high yield or XL size, which offers more prints. Now I've got a brand new Epson 822 cyan ink cartridge here, so let's open that up. Sometimes ink can escape during the unpackaging, so for this next part, I like to grab a trash can, and then you'll want to remove the yellow tape on the side of the cartridge. Just gently pull on the tape to remove it, and this will expose the vent hole on the cartridge so it can work properly in your machine. And while you're doing this, try and avoid touching the gold contact points when handling the new cartridge. These contact points are very sensitive and they may not read properly if dust or fingerprint oil gets on them. So just be aware of that while you're doing this. And then we'll move on to the replacement process. And replacing a cartridge in this machine is easy. To start the process, all you're going to do is select the ink droplet with the exclamation point on your printer's display screen. And as you can see, the cyan cartridge needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and select Replace Cartridges. Select Next. Open up the top cover. And then you can take out the cartridge that needs to be replaced just by pressing on it. It should pop right out, and you can easily remove it with a little shaking motion. And then we can install the new cartridge. So we just got to put it back in that same slot, line it up, make sure it fits in the slot there, and gently press down on it so it clicks into place. And then we can close up the front cover, wait for the printer to initialize, and that's it. We're all set. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like, and you can also subscribe to our channel where we have lots of other great printing tips. If you have any questions or printing tips you need help with, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're looking to save money on printer ink, visit ldproducts.com. We are your ink and toner experts.